Hello, this is Pat with Petresca Papers. I'm out in the Bluebird Bungalow. I brought my cold along with me. I hope you'll excuse my voice and my occasional coughing fits. I have a cough drop. I'm not sure it's really helping a whole lot. I had a request for some tags, some little house tags. So here's Home Sweet Home's little house gift tags. I've done them in 3 sizes. This one is 2 by 5 inches, so 2 by 5. I've left the little like dormer windows, so I call them, where usually this is our signatures poking out. You can cut them off like I have on that one. You can also cut them off and then cut the top off and have a mansard roof if you want different looks. Besides the 2 by 5, you also have 1.5 by 3.5 and 6.5 by 2.5. Again, do what you'd like with them. There are 8 different tags there. There's 4 different tags there, and 8 different tags here. Now, these are some that I have started preparing. And this one, these I have set the eyelets. I have to tell you, these eyelets probably haven't seen the light of day in, I don't even know how many years. Now, I'm going to do some with elastic. I was thinking about some of the gifts that I'm going to be giving that I could use an elastic around it instead of tying with twine or ribbon. So I am just going to pull that through just like that, do an overhand knot. And then this can go on a box. And then you've got the whole back that you can write a message. Okay. This one, I just dearly love this candy cane twine. So I'm going to use a piece of that. This one I'm going to fold over, and to get the correct piece in the front, if you go from the front to the back, when you pull this through, you'll get that lovely little slip knot that shows there. If you go back to front, that's what you get. Okay, I'm going to just tie a little knot up here. Okay, and then this one is going to just get my regular twine that I have my my lifetime supply. It's a huge bolt. I really need to package it and sell it on Etsy. It's a great twine. It dyes nicely. All right, and then I'm going to pull that through. And I've seen, I don't know if it'll work for this, but I'm going to have those splay out over there. And I'm going to go in once again, and in with the other one once again. Well, let's see. Can we pull that down just like that? Kind of makes a little bit fancier knot, just like that. All right, so now these are all ready to tie onto your packages. These, again, are a digital kit. They will be available in my Etsy shop. And I hope if this is your first time here at Petresca Papers on YouTube, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and give me some comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts about how you'll use these. I also started thinking what a cute little notebook this would make. You could use 2 of them just the way we use the others, and you could have a cute little notebook that way. In fact, with these, you know, they're almost together here. Use that for your spine. This could be a cute little card even. So please let me know what you think. As always, it is my pleasure, even though I feel, well, I don't feel so bad. I just sound horrible. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. We'll be back again with something fun in the future. Take care. Bye-bye.